Gasoline generator, compact and lightweight, easy to carry and move, suitable for home backup, small construction sites, outdoor activities, temporary power supply, and other scenarios. Low noise. To operation noise is relatively low, with minimal impact on the surrounding environment. Easy to start. Faster start-up speed. Simple operation, suitable for temporary emergency use. Low price. The initial purchase cost is low, making it suitable for users with limited budgets. High fuel consumption.